Hello, thanks for joining in. Winter's approaching, days are shorter, it's getting colder. This time of year, I normally put a tonneau cover on my truck. This year I decided I wanted a cap or a topper, whatever people call them. So first thing I did like everybody, I went on Marketplace to see what caps are available. I saw a variety of them. So then the second task was I had to Google what year caps fit my truck. So this truck is an 07 to 13. It's a GMT900. Some people call them a new body style. Some call them an 07.5 to 13. Various names. On Google, I found in the past, you can Google something, you'd ask a question, you'd find an answer. Now it tends to be full of, we'll sell you this, we'll sell you that, this is being marketed, etc. It's actually hard to find an answer. So I did find forums and see what conversions were available. And the easiest conversion in my area is there's plenty of 99 to 07 classic trucks. So the GMT900. The only thing is I didn't know, did that cap actually fit my truck? Forum after forum, you can find some of the questions, then it usually landed into an argument of no, it won't fit, yes it will. The best thing for me was I found one on Marketplace. I went yesterday and looked at it. The gentleman I bought it from, he commented that his father-in-law had a similar cap that he put on from an older truck to a newer, and it worked fine. He showed me the modification the father-in-law made, which was a little bit of work on the back door of the cap. So in a moment we'll get up, we'll look around this truck, and I'll explain a little more. So this truck is a 2008, and the cap I have on it is off a 2004. So let's go have a look. My truck is an old work truck. I'm not too concerned what it looks like. The white does give the grandpa vibe. I'm not a grandfather, but we'll stick with white for now. Truck has a 6.5 foot bed. The other truck did as well. We'll look up the body lines. So, not too bad on that side. Pretty good on that side as well. Sits a little bit higher than the roof line of this truck. Gap here is pretty good. So I look down here, there's a little bit of light coming through here, so I'll have to put some foam eventually. As long as I keep the majority of weather out of the truck, that's good with. So a little gap here, and similarly there is a little bit of light under there. So it doesn't rest on the box perfect, and I'm okay with that. So let's see the modification. So initially the door, when it would close, it kind of stayed out about that far. The modification to the back door was mainly this bottom lip sat about 1/2 inch lower. I cut it in here, I just raised it up, screwed it in place. Behind the screws there's kind of a little factory rubber that I kept there as a way to seal water a little bit, or seal oat water. As you can see kind of what I did. That piece was down here. 20 minutes is what the modification took. Fixed it the way I want it. So I'm going to keep the majority of moisture out of the truck this winter. So I'm happy about it. But for anybody curious, does a 99 to 07 classic cap fit on an 07 to 13? Yes, mostly. Small modifications, if you're okay with it, they'll fit good enough. Thanks again for watching. please consider liking and subscribing. Have a great day.